Are you eating the yellow snow? The white snow. Okay, good. Back in 2020, we bought a camper and hit the road as much as possible with our kids and our dogs. We have traveled more than 22,000 miles and have visited 35 states. Welcome to Alton Family Adventures. Part of the 8,000 square mile Raton-Clayton Volcanic Field, Capulin Volcano is a must-stop in northeastern New Mexico. The large volcanic field surrounding the monument contains at least 100 recognizable volcanoes. The monument was designated on August 9, 1916 by the National Park Service and is located 5 kilometers north of the village of Capulin. The views are spectacular, with views of 4 different states: Colorado, New Mexico, Oklahoma, and Texas. Capulin Volcano is relatively young, at 55,000 to 62,000 years old, and is a symmetrical cinder cone volcano.
Then why it has a base we did go down and up?
So we can see inside it.
What's this? Dad? What's this saying, Dad?
That says turkey feathers.
These turkey feathers? What was these?
Spindle bombs.
Then what's this?
It doesn't have anything. It just has. It doesn't say anything on there. Feel free to pick up anything and touch. So that's part of a lava flow. That looks like a hoi hoi.
Then what's this?
Vesicular basalt bomb. So
this?
you see all the holes?
Yeah?
It's all air pockets.
What's this?
Robin bombs.
Then
Scoria.
out the base. There's one way out the base. And
So red rock, basically. That's very vesicular basalt as well.
but this
Look at-
is
look at-
wrong.
Look at how many holes there are in
Then
that.
what's these?
Scatland tracks.
So this one is real.
Yeah.
Then what's this one?
Scat and tracks. Scatland. No, that's
That blue?
so it's just imprints of it. Right? They took a mold. With the road from the base of the volcano to the rim, anyone can access the beautiful views at the top, which is over 8,000 feet high.
Do we go down there?
We will. Yeah, there's no lava in there, is there? There are great hikes from the top, including one to the center of the volcano and another hike around the rim of the volcano. Thanks for joining us. Please like and subscribe.